Take this journey to different lands, for endangered species need a hand. With Team Jumbo, we're sure to win. Paw to paw and fin to fin, hand in hand and side by side. Life is a journey and a thrilling ride. Whoa! We can help the animals of the world feel safe. We can lend the earth a hand. Let every day be Earth Day. Jumbo's Journey. Jumbo's Journey. Yeah!
Jumbo's Journey.
Endangered Animal Friends.
Hi, Team Jumbo. I'm Miss Jen. Let's learn about endangered animals.
Hey Jumbo, when are you coming to Antarctica?
Really soon.
You better bring your scarf. It's cold. Brr.
Step 1. Explore the animal kingdom through books or the internet. Choose your favorite endangered species. Step 2. Draw your endangered animal friend. This will be your pattern or design guide for your puppet. Step 3. Set out your supplies. You can use fabric or a small paper bag for the body. Collect scraps of fabric and trim to decorate your puppet. You can also use paint and markers to create your original design. Look at these adorable endangered animal puppets. You can use the guide on the puppet page or use your imagination. Step 4. Take your new animal friend on a play date.
Let's go swimming in the deep.
Great idea, Whiskers!
Let's go, Team Jumbo! Yeah, let's go!
Making puppets is a great way to express your creativity. You can connect to the animal kingdom with family and friends. Let's make puppets and friends, Team Jumbo. Enjoy your journey. Bye!
Endangered Animal Friends.